Afternoon all. Welcome back to Rain, Hail or Shine fishing. Just at another dam out west. Quite a small dam. It's a stock dam again with yellow belly, Murray Cod, silver perch. It's a long weekend, so it's actually not too busy. There's only one group camping there. There's no reception out here. No powered boats. Anyway, I'm just heading to the other side of the dam into the shade. Start chucking some surface for some cod. Got some new snaps lures. Quick look, I guess. Brand new. One, not that one. That's me goldfish, it's me go-to. I've also got that skinny dog that I caught the cod last time. Got it made in these colours as well by Snaps. Cracker. It's epic. The noise on it. And that pink bib going a bit fast. Anyway, getting into the shade now. So I'm gonna stop talking. It's gonna start, I reckon, down at the other end there. And yeah, work my way up. Hopefully I'll see you with some fish with some description. Sorry, just stuffing around. Yeah, hopefully I'll see you back here soon with a fish. Who knows? Let's pray for a 80 centimetre Murray Cod. But I'd take a 90 or a metre any day. Wish me luck all. Welcome back, Rain, Hail or Shine fishing. Got a few days out here, so be another cool adventure, I hope. Thanks for watching. Just throwing out a sharp point lipless crank in black. It'll be my main trawl and lure in here, I think. Until I know the depths of some stretches. Might find the creek bed, which I think I'm in now. It'll run obviously through that dam wall. You know, if I can find that and get a good stretch, I might do a trawl with some poltergeist or some other sharp point jig head divers, but yeah. For now I'll just use the lipless crank. They're pretty good, all the sharp point jig heads. Spinnerbait with a Z-Man on it, that's ripping. They love that. Even trawling. Must make a big noise, they come up to get it. Anyway, time to be quiet. See you soon, hopefully. Some just got buffed in that corner. I think. I heard it. No bass in here, so. Not allowed over there. It's within 100 metres of the dam wall, you're not allowed to fish. So I'll tip it. Tipping that's what these boys are for. Don't know about those other ones. I'll find out. I'll stay back here for now. First cast with the new Daiwa TD Black 6000. Paired that up with the blade and tails. 8 to 15 kilo. Cover me for a lot of big species, that. Yeah, so I got here and I was meant to set up camp. But when I saw the dam, I couldn't help it. I just dumped everything and loaded the yak up. Fish till dark and worry about the camp when I get back. Something just hit that. Throw on the ballista lure a bit too. It's got a red LED in it when it hits the water. Yeah, they're pretty good hunchbacks. Plenty of lures. Z-Man finesse frog, this one. It's only a baby, but a little one. It's about to turn around and go have a look at that moon. Maybe I won't call it a night. Jesus. The flatty finger on for this. Remembered it this time. Ripper. Good way to start, isn't it? Z-Man hard legs. Cracker. It's on the TT Black Mamba and the Murray Cod. Ripper. Quick measure's gone 52, you can't see much, but yeah, sweet. Right in my finger, ready to go. See you, buddy. So much going on in the bushes and just buffs and lizards jumping in the water and about to head back to camp anyway. Set up and have a good sleep. It's nice to get one on the board. What are you doing? Jesus. Not I can see what it was. Whatever. Yeah, I'll head back to camp, set up, have some dinner, get a nice good sleep and head out early tomorrow morning. This is a good area over here where that river is, just at the mouth of it. Probably not allowed to go far up it, being closed cod season, so yeah, this is a good area out the front here. That little creek. Plenty of lilies there and that, so I'll be back with the Z-Man hard legs again tomorrow. It's good to throw a different presentation. Like, not many people I don't think would throw that hard legs. I've had dropped a few on the finesse frog. So yeah, I knew they'd I know they like it. Yeah, bigger hook, bigger presentation, did the job. So that's a ripper start. Look at that full moon. Tonight's the full moon. I didn't expect to get anything. For the next 3 days, you know, the 3 days after, I reckon hopefully we get some action. Or I've just done me nuts and won't catch anything for the next 3-4 days. But we'll see. See you at camp, eh? Right out the new purple skinny dog, purple and pink. Look at that bib. See if it fires them up a bit. This feels like a good fish. They usually come up, have a look at you and dive again. Go the snaps. Skinny dog in purple. Oh my God. Got him. talk about buck fever in America when they chase deer and buck. Yeah, same thing with cod. Take this one straight back over there. See if the campers want to have a look. But definitely get some better release pictures than that over here. Wow. Just wow. Just never know where they're going to be, do you? It's time. 7:30 a.m. Beauty. Day after the full moon. Just anyone who is interested. Look at that. Ripper. And the snaps lure, handmade, custom colours, beautiful. Get some photos, get that hook out, get back into it. $73, it's gone. New PB. Right, yeah. Right, you beautiful thing. Time to go home. Got that flatty finger there, perfect for the cod. Epic. Straight down into the weeds, doesn't want to go anywhere. Come on, mate, up you go. Big yabby there, young bucky, found it. What's your name? Jordan. Love fishing? Yes. Same. Nice yabby. Kidding. Another one. Tell you what, this snaps lure, the skinny dog, is a cod weapon, it turns out. Skull dragnet, beautiful. Number 3. Go the flatty finger. See you, buddy. Well, one thing I'm learning, last time was after the supermoon, first 3 days. This time is after the full moon, so get out and chase cod around that full moon apparently. Throwing the Streetwalker Junior from Snaps. Gets down real deep. It's got to be 4 or 5 metres on the cast, I think. So I'm in a bouldery area here, deep boulders. Well, I saw them yesterday, but I haven't found them again yet. Yeah, this will get right down deep. I'm in 5.9 so metres. So if there's anything hanging down deep down along here, I'll get it. I'll have to get one of these in that purple colour, I think. Purple and pink. It's dynamite on the cod. Another follow, about 55 centimetres. Head back and have some breakfast. Come up with a plan, whether I chase yellow belly or go for a bit of a drive, bit of an adventure, explore. Yeah, I'll go back to camp and make up my mind. Better go check in. It's an honour system here. You got to check yourself in and leave money or card details. Let's have a look at that. What's it? One group of people camping and one fisherman on a long weekend. Can't beat that. Welcome back. Just going for a bit of a paddle around. It's midday, I'm just going to go have a look around. Trawl some sharp point lipless cranks and maybe some divers. Mark some ground. Couple of hours and then I'll head back out for an arvo session. Savo. Beautiful day. Can't argue, eh? Couple of boats here now, but they've got electric motors. So I'm not scaring any fish away. They'll probably be going before prime time at dusk. Hopefully. Yeah, I'll see how we go. A few hours here. Stay tuned. One more out here. I think I've found where I'm going to come with the frog this afternoon. Hopefully there's some cod like roaming around. I mean, 2.5 metres. Plenty of lilies to hold bait and all that around here. just burning that frog around in here might get some action. See the Sabo anyway. Keep exploring. Another feeder creek. No. Don't think much water comes through there unless it's flooding. See, buddy. I always keep the camera on. Funny stuff like that. Get the pain. Swapping batteries and charging them, and get about an hour per battery. You need about 4 for a good rotation without running out of power on at least. You've always got 1 full battery then. I found with 3, your third one charges up to about maybe 80%. And then you need it. And then yeah, from then on you'd start having to charge more often, obviously. So that 4th battery, I'm going to get another one. Anyway, there's a little information about battery usage and how much of a pain it is. Oh, the serenity. This is me all day. Love it. Rather be casting, but just having a look around. Kids from camp asked me to come to the other side of the dam and pick up their tube. No worries, kids. Skull Drag Guardian. One hell of a hat rack. Team Skull Drag. Back out Harbour now, 3 o'clock. Stay out till dark. And go back to that creek because hopefully there's some sun hidden over there. The sun's dropping over there. Should have some shade in there. Might catch one roaming. But yeah, won't ramble. Hopefully I'll see you with a fish. Hopefully it's not the end of the weekend. Got 2 more days. But yeah, hopefully the cod still keep playing the game. We'll see. Rain, hail or shine fishing. still after my 80 centimetre. Got it written on my hand. Got to get one. I'll put in some hours anyway, see what happens. Heard a lot of frogs out. The thing with coddies, they don't usually chase after something moving so quick. But I've proven that wrong, landing one. And I've dropped two before on finesse frogs. One of them really wanted it, he hit it 3 times. So I'm just doing some pauses just to give them a chance to hit it if they're feeling lazy. Nonetheless, still getting that bubbling happening. Heard plenty of frogs around here. I'm staying just there, so. Well, I think when cod are lazy, this wouldn't work. You gotta sometimes move your lure very, very slow for them. But I think when they're feeding, they're pretty happy to come barreling after this thing. One of them was actually in winter on the finesse frog in the morning, 9:30 in the morning. You can always have so many theories about fish, I guess, but at the end of the day, if they're hungry, they're going to eat. Just got to give them the right presentation. Pretty sure that's a cod. Could be an eel-tailed catfish. Making the big swirl. Wouldn't be a yellow belly. Silver perch, I don't know. Some of them are friggin' big swirls though. See if we can get one on the orange. Lizard just chilling in the water. Might have to get some of those lures made up. Couple of horses up here having a swim. Go say hello, eh? I think they're cows. Yeah. Couple of cows having a swim. Know what he's doing? He's eating the lilies. He knows where the good stuff is. What a good old chew. Little moo chew. How you going, mate? Hey? Good grass? Got the good stuff, huh? Here we go, here's all the fishing birds. Maybe the cod are up here. Just having a bit of an adventure, a little bit of an explore. I think I'll start along here. Whatever that little fish was scared the crap out of me. So if rivers are closed for cod season, at what point does the dam stop becoming a dam and start becoming a creek or a river again on the feed-in? Barumba Dam's a good example. Yabba Creek, certainly closed, but there's no definitive weir or anything. Not even not even a natural one. I'm just having a look up here. Morally, I wouldn't fish too far up here just because it's a river or creek. But yeah, if anyone knows at what point it stops becoming a dam and turns into a creek or river again, let me know in the comments. We've asked fisheries, but it's taken a while to get an answer out of them. There's a few dams like it. Anyway, food for thought. Just on that, I don't mean below dam walls either. I mean the top end, the inflow. Obviously below dam walls is out of the question. Well, it's about 9:30. Been out, 2.5 hours. One little bump, I think. The wind's a bit crap, so I want to go eat. Got a bit of adventure, make up my mind for the Savo. I think I'll move dams just for a Arvo session. See what happens in the morning. I think I'll just hit that ridge, that bank in the morning, pack up camp and go home. Yeah, I'll make my mind up. You guys stay tuned and see what happens.